on those OTC deals. Why do we buy the alpha directly from the subnet? Why don't we just buy it at exchange? Why don't we buy it at the market?
Well, the primary reason is that a lot of these new subnets that we are trying to help, they are new. And so the liquidity pool, as in the sort of imagine the glass of water which we could drink out of, there's not much water in the glass. So if we wanted to buy $50,000 or $200,000 worth of their subnet token, we just couldn't. It would be like an elephant splashing into a paddling pool, and there'll be no water left because it's all in our bellies. So an OTC deal is good because we can get large, sizable position in without touching the price at all. So that's really the main reason. Anything else to add?
No, there's two reasons really. One is that the OTC deals support the subnet owner. We're buying the alpha directly from them, so they're able to sell it at a price that they know to somebody that they trust.
Yep.
So that we pre-agree what price we're going to buy it at, when we're going to buy it, and we've got no intention of flipping it onto the market. So they have got, it's as good as it being locked up in their own wallet.
Yep.
But they've got the cash they need to cover their operating expenses. That's the primary reason for doing OTCs. The second reason is, our investors are the inflows that we have coming into DSV are greater than the available alpha at market for most subnets. Not all now. Now there's a few big subnets that have got fairly deep liquidity pools, but a lot of the smaller and younger subnets, there's just not enough depth in that liquidity pool for us to go and take the position that we want to take.
Yeah. And I guess another added benefit is that if you were to look at all of the subnets that we've partnered with and done OTCs with, they've been some of the best looking charts in all of Bittensor. And one of the reasons for that is that, we're a growing hedge fund, but we're raising between $300,000 to $800,000 a month. So we've got continual inflow, and we're doing top-ups, aren't we? Yeah. So it's not just one hit. We're like, a few months later, how things going? Do we like another top-up? And so however you want to sort of view that, whether it's supporting the price or whatnot. But we like to have an ongoing relationship.
Partners.
Partners.
That's what we're